Last time, Ms. Wang showed you how to use two opposing photoelectric sensors to achieve a simultaneous external signal on or off control. Did you learn how? After watching the external signal on or off control function using two opposing photoelectric sensors on the SDVC31, some customers left me a message asking if it's possible to achieve an external signal on or off control using two proximity switches. Of course, our CUH controller is compatible with different types of sensors. Now, Ms. Wang will demonstrate how to use it, ensuring everyone in front of the screen will learn it quickly. First, prepare two proximity switch sensors. Importantly, the sensors must be the same type NPN and normally closed, meaning they have an output when there's no signal. Then, as shown in the diagram, connect normally closed proximity switches A and B to port C1, C2, and C3, respectively. Press and hold the function and up or down arrow keys simultaneously. Release the function key to return to the T to settings page. Press the up or down arrow key to switch to normally open.